This workflow sends me an alert when any website changes, and I never miss an update. So it is useful for tracking product prices, job posting, etc. And it notifies me on Telegram as well with the message. So for this, I'm going to use this page for building this workflow. So very first node is a schedule trigger node. So here we are going to set timers to execute this workflow, which is 30 minutes. And you can see here the node execution. Now we are going to connect it with the HTTP node. So it is going to fetch our actual web page. So method will be get. So you have to paste whichever page you want to fetch URL of it. So here I am taking this URL. I have already pasted it. I'm going to track the price of that product. So that's why I have pasted this URL and nothing else. So now execute the node. So after executing, you can see this. So just ignore it. And we have to connect it with the third node, which is we have to extract that particular value from it. So operation will be extract HTML content, source, JSON data, of course, and then here we have to add values. Key can be anything you want, and then we have to find out the CSS selector to track that specific element on the website. So it is very important. So for here I am going to my web page, inspect, and after inspecting to the price, I am going to give prompt to the AI assistant for the CSS selector, and it will give me the CSS selector for that particular element on the web page. So here you can see it has given me two things, a price symbol plus a price hole. So in short, I am going to paste a price. So that's what I have did here, a price. So it will include both the things, and then other things keep as it is. Text, return value will be text, and then execute the node. So after executing, we got our product price. Now connected with the next node, which is the compare with the last value. So this is for checking whether the value actually changed or not, and if it is changed, then what was its previous value. So here it is a code given. So you can see current value, previous value, changed parameter, which is false. That means it is not changed, and it is a first run, of course. So we got all these values here with the help of this given code, and I will provide this code in the description. Now connected this node with the if else part. So if the product price is changed, that means we have to give the JSON.change block in here, because we have to check for the value of that field. So if it is false, then it will follow the false path, and if it is true, then it will go further on true path. So in the compare with the last value, change is false, and we have to drag that field into the block, and after that just execute the node. So you can see here it has executed successfully. Now connected with the Telegram for the notification part. For Telegram, you have to set up the account, which I have already done in previous video. You can watch it, and you will need a user ID, user chat ID, which will be given by the user info, and you have to give the message structure you want to get as a notification. So here I have already set up the account, return the chat ID, and this is my structure, like common structure for the message or notification, and then just save it and execute the workflow. So because price has never changed, it has followed the false path and I didn't got received any kind of notification. So I'm going to change it by editing it here. So I am giving the current value as 568 and previous value as something like this. And also I'm going to change the changed parameter to the true. So our if else condition will become true, and just save it and execute the workflow with that. Now you can see it has followed the true path, and I've also received the new message as well about the changes. Also you can add more things to track to enhance it or take it to the next level. And if you find this video interesting, just like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching.